Assalamu alaikum everyone, my dear friends, my colleagues, my audience, my brothers. Welcome back to a new live stream number 105 New York session on 14th of May 2026. Very pleasant and beautiful day. I will be looking at gold, dollar yen, dollar CAD and US oil a bit deeply as well, just like I use my technical strategy on the gold. So similarly I will try to run the same sort of analysis on these three pairs. At the moment I'm looking at gold, and yes, gold is behaving nicely, my friends. Yes, very nicely. Beautiful profits it gave this week, and I'm so much happy for these profits, and I also shared all of these trades with all of you. So the purpose of sharing these trades is not to give signal service or something, but it just I to share my trades right here in my stream. Yes, simple. I just like. Okay, let me quickly check the audio video and then we proceed further. Let's see what this gold brings for us today. Beautiful plans I have, and most of them played very nicely, my friends. Okay, so the actual problem right now is spiral. This is a spiral pattern forming. Okay, spiral. See what type of a spiral? Let me show you. Where is my epic pen? Here. These spiral patterns, oh my friends, I was studying it after my lunch. So what I found, let me show you. This spiral pattern is forming. That day I gave you another triangle pattern with a different perspective, right? Now see, okay, you must have observed it or not observed it, I am not sure about it. Okay, but have a look at it. Spiral, you know, spring, kind of like a move. And this whole springy move contains a whole lot of burden and information. So, well, to a trader who is just trading the, let's say, H4, so obviously H4 trader sold from here, booked profit here, then sold again here and booked profit here, and since then there is this little rally going on since yesterday. So we will be breaking down, and if I tell you, this rally itself is containing a lot of emotional burden, this area. So today is going to be very much interesting, okay, because maybe we can get a good chance that we see break to either side. Till now so far I will see, I have not decided which way, but I mean literally there in the morning session, as I said, there is a lot going on in the market, my friends. If I see the news, then there is also two major fundamental data for the dollar. Now I don't trade the news, remember, but for my directions I definitely will need to have a what will I have? To have an eye on the dollar, I mean core retail sales we have and retail sales. So yes, these two fundamental data is going to be released from the United States in around 22 minutes, my dear friends. Who is with me in the chat? Let me head over to your chat quickly as well. Beautiful session it is going to be. Beautiful session. Feroz Khan, thank you. Walaikum assalam. Remember, my friends, strategies are those which can build career, okay, not destroy career. Yes. What type of career will that be if it destroy futures? Again, let's have a look at this spiral again. See, whenever it happens, I will be showing you this spiral, same spiral pattern on the chart in a moment. Have a look at this move. See? Wait, okay, this is trending. There was a spiral right here. Now, let me search a good one. No, this is also, this is an ending spiral, okay? This is the inverse. Let me show you. There is this, but this is the inverse. I want to see that same pattern. But anyways, have a look at it. See this spiral pattern. This is the end point, okay, and this is the start point here, and on this present image this one is the start point, this, and till now so far the end point we don't know for how long it stay right here. But anyways, beautiful opportunity it is supposed to be giving us today. I have 0.4 lot buy trade open day 46. I don't want to do, come out or stay. Your own choice, my friend. I will be giving the whole analysis, then decision is your own. Wait, okay. For example, if I, let's say if I chase moves, I would definitely become part of this whole move right now. this instantly. But my friend, the main thing is this. This little consolidation zone. By the way, I took a crude oil trade as well today. Let me bring some water, my friend. So my friends, let's see what it brings us today. But there I think a good setup. Okay, now my friends, let's see that this pattern is still present in the market on a daily, and market is inside it, while the actual move is this, but this comes as a barrier. Do you know what is a barrier? Stop, I mean, and that stop is the H4. H4, okay. And this whole week when my bias was bearish on the H4 below this zone right here, from the start of the week. Yes, my friends, from the start of the week I discussed it. This was the previous week's stuff. I said market will be taking a bounce. It did. This level got broken, and now the market is in zigzaggy spiral. This is the present market now on gold. This is what? This is the present moment on gold. This is the daily image. Have a look at this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today is the 6th day. I mean, since last Thursday the situation is as this. Market got stuck into this spiral as expected, because when I say it's going to take a bounce and going to stop right here, my friend, for 6 days it stopped. Then out of there, when people ask me, hey, your strategy works or not, so then I say, see my friend, Everything is right here in front of us. Everything, like nothing is hidden. When I make 1,000 pips of a loss, I come here live and I pronounce everything. So my friends, those who think it this way, that this doesn't work, everything is live here in front of you. Nothing is in, like, every trade is taken live, every trade is closed live. Now do you want to understand today that how we can actually, without levels, trade on the candlesticks? This is a separate technique and separate skill. If one learns and adds to their portfolio, is good. I should say, when new beginners come to me, I say make a toolbox in your mind, and in that toolbox keep important things. So this one is an important as well. See why it stopped right here. The next time you should be able to do it yourself, because today I am telling you, every day I might not get a chance, because when I am actively trading I cannot focus on education. Okay, so today let's see. I'm not, like, I'm trading but I'm waiting a little bit. C, and this is the D. Now my friends, most traders do one mistake. They will sell right here and will target this whole level. I should say a big mistake. My friend, why are you so getting lazy? For example, you took a sell right here. There are different places on the lower time frames where potentially the market can take a pause. So why don't we use those pauses and make something for ourselves from that? This is that H4 now again. So when, let's say, when I say that this is a sell level, at this price point, even if the intraday, the day trader, the swing trader, literally every type of the counter trend trader, every type of a trader took buys and sells to the correct side of the market, but those who didn't understood the structure, they just chased the market. They literally just chased the market, nothing else they did. Okay, they did nothing else. Now since this market has gone so much into consolidation, different mindsets it has created. First is, we are looking for like this as this, but the market is reversing from right here. That is not our concern. Okay, we made profit right here, right here, right here as well, all live in the live stream. This market is showing some up move, but stay, it is not yet confirmed. When I go lower time frames, things will be start getting feel so easy to us. Then this yesterday's 15-minute direction, if you remember here, this is still in play. Okay, but I am not interested in it at all. This level is no more for use. This level is as this, and on the lower time frame, this market on the M15 is behaving very crazy. See, look at it, because obviously these people want to go back to up there. Okay, while this trend line seems slightly compromised, I should say, not very valid, but is also valid till now so far. So the whole problem is created by the M15 bulls. Where they come from, who are these people who are buying and is making this C to D leg and is struggling to complete, are market makers. Will you be remembering it forever, what I just said today? I hope you do remember what I said. I will be coming on to your chat. So now, yesterday I was a little bit chasing the scalping moves. Let's say today I'm a bit on patience. You will see a very big difference in the yesterday's session and today's session. Today will be more focused on the psychological aspect of the strategy in this market and the technical aspect of this market, because when we see the technical aspect, definitely is showing us a beautiful this direction. Okay, but since on a technical grounds this market played a lot and I already made profit from it, so on the lower time frames then the story will be slightly to that side of the market, but with smaller stop losses one may not be able to get it hard, like it will take around big stop loss it takes. Okay, around 300 pips of a stop loss it will take, and obviously being like like why I'm not buying right here, also understand this. Since today is a slightly bigger day for gold, usually big moves happens, okay, and emotionally I can now very easily enter right here, and even I will put an SL and I will have no problem. Even if that SL hits, still no problem, but the problem will be that on the H4 I'm having a bearish opinion till here, which was, and now I am looking for a correction as well, little bit more, but on the M15 this is making my mind a little bit change, and yesterday in the NY session it became bullish from here. So anyone for a quicker scalping entries, let's wait a little bit, because you know a little bit of patience can give us everything. Okay, maybe it may seem very nicely lucrative to you. See, you will think, oh, this is see a very beautiful trade opportunity, and it is actually a beautiful trade opportunity, but sometimes I compromise on opportunities. It's okay, no problem, because I'm clearly on a wait. So if I'm on a wait during those times, if I do something, everything goes wrong. Okay, I these days wait for structures. Structure is what makes me good profits, and every profitable entry seems magical then. Yes, my friends, every strategy, every move reveals something to us. We have news in 4 minutes. Till then, I will head over to your chat if you have any. Feroz Khan, Walaikum Assalam. Thank you, dear. Welcome. Iceberry, hi. Welcome. Walnus Volvic, hi. uh, Gilo 8571. Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Aman. New, I'm observing a lot. I still want to go back to your video of the triangle. I want to ask, how do you spot scalping the best way? Yes, I will show you. Stay with me, and I will show direction Volness Volvic. Okay, I will rewrite a screen in place of black on MT4. Okay, it is now, see, white. uh, I take care of my audience, don't worry. Enamul Rub, hello, how are you doing, my friend? Look at this one. See, market nicely dropping. Look at the market this way, always dropping. This is called market reading. Till at this price point, see, this high is not broken. Here it is broken, and then the market came for a retest, took a retest, a support, and an easy peasy type of a trade back to the resistance, and then an other easy sell trade. Look at it this way. Don't make it over complicated for yourself. See, my friend, since yesterday it is inside this zone and ranging. How much time will it spend right here? Till then, we have a news in 1 minute. Okay. Core retail sales month on month in 27 seconds. Okay. Till then, you guys give me a like on my video, on my stream. I will be so much thankful to everyone. Something other happened, obviously. One is this. Okay, this is valid. This is still valid. In the morning stream, I discussed this pattern in detail. That 20-minute stream. But my friends, if we see it this way, then yes, it is broken and perfectly broken and perfectly retested. So as per this, now on the lower time frames, there is another thing established on the lower time frame as this, and then on the 5 minute, if I see, it will be as this. Okay, and just don't look at the 1 minute. Even I'm not willing to see it on the 5 minute today. It's too fast and it's anyways ranging. Okay, H4 is the sell move. Okay, now daily is also a little bit to the sell side, to the buy side as well, because if you have seen my weekly video, then you will understand what I mean. Let's see. Okay, on the 1 minute, well, news is released, but sort of like nothing major changed. Unemployment claims came bad for the dollar. Okay, and retail sales remain unchanged, source of little bad as well. Core retail sales 1.9.7. Oh, it's very bad for the dollar. Let's have a look at my CAD trade as well. Where is CAD? Let's first see this crude oil. Well, my friend, there is no big magic inside this entry. Okay, just my sell level. The entry got a little bit confirmed right here. I'm just targeting a 618 right here, not this whole move. Okay, and the CAD, where is the CAD? CAD finally might be hitting my TP, and yen moves very slow, but my TP is right here, so let's see. My friends, sometimes we need to know that is this that time where in which I need to be trading. This is very much important as well. Most of us then ignore this as well. Yes, most of us do what? We ignore. For example, I can easily say I'm buying right here on the breakout, but now my friend, now not today. Okay, I just want to see it happening in front of my eyes, because I am waiting for a sniper entry most probably from there. This is that same yesterday's move. Last night it came near my stop loss, but then I that survived, and in the morning stream I closed it. $47.29 my indicator is showing me. $47.29. So let's see how it is played by the market. The overall move is then, if this 47.26 break, then let's see, it is more going up. Okay, any questions for me? I have some new students in the morning, so usually, and then some in the evening, so usually I like teaching a beginner like drains the energy too much. But my friend, for survival, hard work is also important. If one doesn't do hard work, how will that person survive? I mean, right here, what we are doing hard work. HK Wines, hello, please analyze Euro AUD. Okay, Hey, listen everyone, just don't blindly enter, okay? Wait for every proper confirmation, okay? Use your strategies, then enter. Oh, my friend, don't make this market lightly. Yes means bullish for gold, but the market maker also know it. So we should be careful about the stop losses as well. Triangles are very interesting. If you see, these triangles are, every time I trade the triangle give me a good profit. But sometimes I even get tired of making profits since yesterday, because this is the moment when you get tired of making profits. Stop trading, or else you are giving back the profits as well, plus from your pocket as well. Yes. So then obviously we should try to train ourselves to see some moves just happening in front of our eyes. Though our prediction is correct, everything. So many times I have seen that when I wait for the market definitely go, but if not this opportunity, that opportunity it will give me. Huh? That will it give me. It's simple. What do you think? Market will be running away from us? Nah, it is not running away from us. It will be right here in front of us. So why should one be always like? Personally, if I tell you, my friend, I'm not a type of a person who knows that from like around 24 hours since yesterday NY session, this market is zigzaggy inside this zone and it's not even going up and not even going down. What is cooking, my friend? As a trader I should, okay, so no doubt if this setup seems very good to me, I'm not trading it. Can be a trap most probably, or can be like traps are not just to hit the stop losses. There is another type of a trap as well. The market maker can trap me to give me this less profit and bigger profit they take. Nah. So sometimes both the moves are good, but one gives a bit more profit, the other gives a bit less profit. Some are more risky, some are less risky. These are the realistic approaches that I'm discussing. Remember, when you see these charts, like most traders see they will see the same patterns, like same as patterns, like they will think, oh, triangle is a pattern. Well, yes, it might be a pattern or not pattern, that is a definition word of it, but I see like more as a pressure building inside the market. So that moment I like to wait to see which way it bursts and which way I get my technical strategy. Remember, a good strategy is also the one which tells you when not to trade, and that's the beautiful thing in my strategy. That's the beautiful quality I like about it. See, it is telling me not to trade. See, I am trading. Did you see me trading? No, I am patiently waiting. Yes, I am listening to the market. Whatever it makes me, I become. Because this time I listen to the market. If I try to impose my own logics on the market, this market will be kicking me hardly. Anyone, it will be kicking hardly. Will say, go away. You don't understand me and you are coming near me. This is what this market will be saying. Yeah. When pressure builds, then we will be thinking about it properly, that okay, which direction we need to go. Then price will be moving into like smaller and smaller and smaller place. See, if I tell you this is a triangle, you may or may not believe. This is a triangle, my friends, a classic triangle. Let's pick a fresh template. Pick this one. Oops, there is too much. Okay, it's good now. This is, my friends, a triangle. Let's understand it here. Okay, this is a triangle, and every day the move is getting lower. We are losing volume, pressure building inside it, pressure. Okay, and I don't want to become part of this pressure. I don't want to make this pressure with other people who are making this pressure. Okay, I want to take benefit how it burst. Understand? This is where the buyers and the sellers are reaching to, like, finally they are tired. How tired? Now obviously if we see this is happening right now, it formed after that, but this is a clear sign that these sellers and these bulls, let me show you, are now frustrated. They came to a conclusion that someone has to give up on something. See it, observe it, understand it. Bigger move, big fall, 61.8. okay, and obviously these rallies, double top as well, and a drop, and by then this bullish trend of the gold broke. Okay, so once that broke, a sell trend started, and a sell trend started, a 61.8% retracement. See, another 61.8 of a bigger leg, and obviously since it was 61.8, we have this in the market back then. So 61.8, market pull back down, 61.8, go back up, 61.8, and now is finally should come back down little to 61.8 right here, but overall finally it is now stuck into a triangle. So pressure, my friends, is building inside it. Don't become the pressure, try to be an observer in such situations. You know, let me tell you the very funny thing. Most emotional traders go crazy inside these triangles. They blow their accounts. They lose a lot of the money inside these triangles. Why? Because they are like keep taking bad decisions. They're like a lot of the fake breakouts occurs here. See how many, what do you think, inside this zone how many fake breakouts must have happened? A lot of them. So understand, my friend, these boxes, they are important. People are not sharing it. For us, As a retail trader, we need to have an eye on each and every move of the market maker. Then we become good traders. Our decisions will be sound, nice, calm, peaceful, with patience, with proper risk to reward. Randomly, if we right now, for example, jump inside it, see how many people are losing money inside these zones. Understand it. For a clever person, for a sharp person, even a little hint is enough. Yes. I'm waiting for something very bigger. Jackpot type of an entry. Just wait slightly. Let's wait this gold get out of this situation, because I cannot see people lose money inside this. They will be keep losing. See, let me tell you, normally on such candle you must have seen me, I usually take a buy, but today I'm not buying. Why? Because just hardly 62 pips up move and then immediately an 80 pips of an down move within a blink of an eye. Thank God my strategy tells me the time that when not to trade. See, and today you have also learned this secret of mine, when not to trade. In tight consolidations, in triangles, when market fell down into strong hedge patterns, into strong harmonic patterns, in critical zones, those places we need to usually avoid. Okay, just give me one moment. I want to tell my wife if there is some black tea available so she can serve me. I ask you one question, my friend. I ask you one question. If we wait for the market, hardly what will happen, huh? What will happen hardly? Hardly we will miss the move. Okay? So tell me, is the patience good or missing the move good? Let me know in the chat. Then we proceed further. Well, so bad for dollar. Okay. There can be also hidden pattern shoulder. Okay. Yes, sir. On 1 hour time frame, the market looks so weird. Yes, it is. No doubt, it is looking weird. It's not able to decide its direction. Because the strategy on which I work, it works on discipline. So just like I'm disciplined and I'm not trading right now, so like me, other there in the world there will be other disciplined traders who are not trading, and just the gamblers are doing stuff inside it. So many people on chat but only 2 likes. Come on people, press that. Thank you dear Feroz Khan for promoting it. Thank you so much. Iceberry, hats off to your understanding. Thank you dear. I want to enter a trade while gold starts a rally for a new all the time high. Accumulation, manipulation and distribution. Yes. Kala chai, buy gold chai better. Thank you. I just finished a cup. Oh great, I hope you enjoy. Patience is good. Yes, definitely it is precious. Sitting on your hands better. Thank you. Sitting on my hands better. Yes. Wow, my friend. I want to scalp on the... Oh, my friends, finally. I saw something on the US tech. Let's see. Can I quickly scalp it? Below the moving average, huh? Let's wait for this candle to close. But my friend, that will be one standard lot. Let this level break, then I scalp right here. Oh, a big drop is expected on the US tech today. $29,209. Let it break this level, then I head over to this and trade it. See, this is that morning direction it created, but like everything in such situations is false. This is yet another triangle. See, triangle after a triangle on a gold. As per this triangle strategy, now it will be again telling us sell, but I'm not crazy to sell right here. On the 1 minute, people will be selling and scalping with 22 pips. Yes, my friend, 22 pips of a risk I'm willing to take. Yes, definitely I'm willing to take 22 pips of a risk, and in such conditions a take profit of 38 pips. This is just like a not a very like a hi-fi type of a trade, okay? This is just like a little zonal trade, I should say, on the 1 minute. $22 pips, either there or here. Rest, let's wait for this bigger direction, okay? This is just a bonus trade. If I get it, I get it. Otherwise, not very high-fi this and that type of a trade. 38 pips giving, 22 pips taking. Fine. But like market is on this wave, okay? And less volume in the market as well. Thank you, Iceberry. This is Nasdaq, I guess. US index. This is not for beginner at all, okay? I was about to take a trade, but look how it moves. Yes, I'm willing to scalp right here. Oh, it moves in terms of pips, it moves too much. Even this move alone is 833 pips, my friends. Smaller account holders may never go near it. So did you understand? In triangles markets will be as this. Yes, USA opening in how much time? 2 minutes. Better not to touch it, or it can crush me, okay? See? Not at all a scalping friendly market. Why? Because see, from here, my friend, oof, if it give a rejection from here. Did you see when I go against my strategy how my SL was hit? This is such a strategy which if one learn, their life will be sorted out. See, now don't go near the market now. Okay, don't go near it now. If you are holding some positions from there, that's fine. If from there, still fine. But for a fresh bull or a sell or a buy, nah, this place is not advisable at all. No matter if make me a millionaire to the upside or a billionaire to the downside, I don't care. This is my final word ticked about it. 4669.68. It will be respected, then after that I will consider doing something on it. No, my friend. How? What type of a market this is right now? Just see, like, just see what type of a market this is. My friend, if one wants to get successful, must have to learn the strategy. Now you can very easily say that, Aftab, you are saying it because you really want to sell your course or something. Let me tell you, I have no course because I think course doesn't work, and this is true. Only the live. So I'm not saying it for so that I want you that okay. Uh, buy course with me or something. Nah, I'm not saying that. Not at all. I am not saying it at all. Right? Will you be remembering it or no? Recorded doesn't work, my friends. Okay, recorded doesn't work. I personally coach people, but not the beginners. Okay, I coach those who have spent one more than like a year. Those I coach, not everyone, because literally I cannot like go from very, like, who have spent some time in this market. I only coach them in Zoom one-on-one. But when I say that you should understand this strategy means, my friends, you really need to understand this strategy. Otherwise, without a strategy, nothing is possible. Do you guys understand it or not? I hope you do. Okay. I hope what I'm saying you understand it. Let's see Euro AUD. Where is Euro AUD? Is not, I don't see it. AUD USD Euro USD USD is it? No. Let's see. Yes, we are anyways idle. So let's see Euro AUD. Forex miners Euro AUD. Wow, let's analyze it. Okay, I will be having tea Please, some for you guys. Life without tea. Oh, my friend. Big addiction. Thank God I'm not addicted to coffee. Anyways, what I was saying? Huh. This. Let me first get rid of this. Are you guys interested to see it? Let's see it on monthly first. I mean, wow. Okay. I say it. Okay. This trend got broken. Nice. So then this trend got established. Okay. And this is still valid. But this is not my main concern. Let's see. Okay. Fibonacci. And then Fibonacci. Good. We just need 2 Fibonacci readings for it. One from here as well. Wow. Seems good, my friends. Seems very good. Then on the weekly, if we see, my friend, thing is simple now on the weekly. Have a look at it. Nice. Oh, this is my resistance. Good. Congratulations, everyone. I have found my resistance as per my strategy. Great. And obviously from right here is my support. How did I find the support? With the trend line. See, as this. See, this trend line got broken, retested. Now this is my support. Clear? How do I find my impulse leg? Let's wait. Let's patiently wait for it a little bit. Let's think about it. Okay, side by side I will be looking at gold. Let's move it right here. Easy to navigate. Yes. Where is gold? Okay, here. So this situation is going on, my friend. From the sell side, this situation is going on, and from the buy side, obviously this situation is also going on. No triangle formed right here. Okay, a straight breakout, retest, continuation. Move to the daily. Well, it is still bearish. Yes, if one wants to target this, then I think it makes sense. How much risk? 69 pips of a risk can, but my friend, this is now too late for a buy. You know, the right buy would be right here. It is too late for a buy. See, the right buy would be right here. Here, let me show you this way. As this, as this is a 61.8, this is entry, this is the stop loss, and now even if we continue higher, that would be fine. Right now it is taking more stop loss than its take profit. But if one thinks that they want to target this level, then with this much stop loss, let me take it as well with all of you as a bull. 0.01 buy, stop below this and take profit up there. Now it makes sense. Now my stop loss is 190, my take profit is 195 pips and my stop loss is 75 pips, so makes sense. This will be open overnight. Okay, thank you who tell me about this trade opportunity. Good opportunity. This Euro AUD is. Okay, not a trade signal, nothing, but just like moving nicely, my friend. I was looking for such a beautiful pair for myself. Yes, on the 15-minute time frame, this trend line has been broken. Right here, the close above this will further confirm that okay, it is further going up. Close above this. Okay, gold, my friend, gold. Now, do you understand why I was not trading gold today? Huh? Did you get my point or not? Tell me this. Now, my friend, now like the stream, okay? Like the stream. Heading over to your chat. Wow, my friend, this Euro AUD moves very nicely. I mean, this 18 pips it should go now, but it should close above that because after that there is another drop expected. Back down till here. See, this is 61.8 accumulation distributed phase here. Alhamdulillah, it was very good tea. Really enjoyed. Why you guys are very silent today? Let's see. You know, gold, like a lot of the people are living on the footpaths due to this gold. People are going to footpath today. Now, my friend, imagine who will be trading in such situation. Just see what type of a market is this. What type of a market is this? Even it is a good bullish engulfing candle, if I tell you. But what will I do with this bullish engulfing candle if it is inside this? Yes, with this same bullish engulfing, it break this level. I will tell everyone, close your eyes. I will shout, I will announce, close your eyes and blindly buy gold in bags. This I will be saying. But for now, with this momentum, what should I do, my friend? It is not moving much. I think time for uncertainty for the gold came, right? Uncertainty time came, and when there is uncertainty in uncertainties, people wash their accounts. Like very harsh truth, my friends, I'm telling you. USD NOK is not for everyone. My friend, this yen, you know, this dollar yen, it has made my life so, but on the lower time frame it moves good. Do you think I need to move my stop a little bit now? The original stop loss is how much it is, my friend, 350 pips. I am in a better position to place it somewhere here. It is still too much because the actual should be right here, okay, right here. Now the actual stop loss becomes around 121 pips, okay. But if I see this one, the cross on the moving average happened as well. But let's see. Market is very slow today. You know, slow markets reveal the psychology of a trader very nicely. Yes, this is so true. Slow markets do what? Reveal traders' psychology very clearly. Literally, my friend, inside these, if you trade, even if I trade right now, I will feel a lot of hesitation inside it. See, what type of a market is this now? Is not beautiful at all. Is stuck in a triangle. One side is trying to take control and other side keeps pushing back. What type of a market? I don't like such market. My strategy tells me when not to trade. Yes. Okay. This, you know, this battle inside going on, it is creating like, what should I say that name? Compression. It's compressing everything and then suddenly it will burst. Oh, my friend. Suddenly it will then burst. Then what we will be able to do? If from now our direction is confused, M15 is showing me something else, H1 is showing me something else, a range, H4 is showing me a bigger sell. From the H4 sell, it's okay, I made good profit. From the daily, I made good profit. But does that mean I waste my profits right here on this M15 and H4 conflict? Nah, my friend. Why? Never. Let one side take full control first, let's see which one is properly, like properly, that okay, I say, like normally, I say, wait, okay, whoever this person is, I'm going to block him, okay. Bro, I'm really sorry. This type of thing is not acceptable, okay? Not at all. Please don't call me directly during the stream, okay? This is very bad etiquette. So, sorry, dear, I have to. Priyanshu Mishra ji, I have to block you. Blocked. Next time, don't call me during the stream, okay? When will you guys understand, my friends? When? This time I'm analyzing it for you, but please be careful next time, okay? Priyanshu Mishra ji. Well, buying is like against going the previous month seller on the NOK. Nah, buying is not good. Wait for selling. This is the analysis, okay? This. So I was saying, my friend, that inside these triangles, they compress the prices. Compression occurs. And this is like a proper battle between them, okay? So my friends, compression usually will lead, like this, these are very technical terms, some other day I will discuss it. Wow, US Tech confirmed its breakout, but oh my friend, let me see how much stop loss. $39 is on risk on the US Tech. Let's see if it can bring 784 pips, or it just stopped me out. It's anyways very crazy, okay? It's anyways very crazy. I put a lot of the swing orders today. This one is scalping on the US Tech. After very long time I scalped on the US Tech, and I think it is taking, this stop is too tight, extremely tight it is. $400 pips of a stop loss is extremely tight for the US Tech. So seems like it is compromised, my friends. Yes, let it compromise, okay? This level is very obvious for a sell, otherwise obvious means like everyone knows that it is now dropping, so that's why like it is crazily behaving as this right here. And this is the time, usually at this time the Nasdaq go crazy, okay? Let's see gold, did it move to not very nicely, my friend. Yes, that morning's this move is happening now, okay? But don't blindly sell, or don't blindly take decisions, okay? This level is not yet broken. It will be breaking, then it will be retesting on the 15-minute, then after that we will be buying or selling, whatever. Okay, not now. If we sell right here, it take a support from right here immediately. US Tech hit the SL, okay? It hit the SLC. It's gone. No problem. Let's go for another sell if I get a chance, but this time from a bit good place. Wow, it moves fantastic. Quick scalping I want to do right here near this. Beautiful moves it gives, my friends. Nasdaq is really Nasdaq. Near this H4 high somewhere, I think I can get a good sell. Yes, so much patience for a trade, dear. Now, my friend, in such situation, I may not be able to sell or do anything. RSI also going above. I want to buy from here. Let's see if gold is finally moving, if it gives me a good direction, so that I buy it from a good place. Even on the news, nothing happened. This move seems very obvious to me because this is my H4 target area. Okay, you will remember my H4 targets that I am willing. It is finally preparing for that, my friends. But it's not breaking this level. Problem is this. See, big opportunity this will be, but if this is a good valid breakout, if it is zigzaggy and slow, then how one will be catching it is yet another question. This breakout has occurred. But I'm not trading it for now. Let it reach up there or till here. See, I said now, my friend, I said that I cannot get involved in this rally. Usually I get involved in these rallies. Today I did not, though everything was bullish. But because this market is uncertain, it is showing me this as well, it is showing me that as well. If you want to become good traders, my friend, understand this concept, okay? It will be always giving you two levels. Let's see M30 if I see something hidden. My friend, there is nothing hidden, huh? Okay, this is again, as per the technicals, it is again a buying level. 4669.68 becomes again a buying level for 220 pips, but I'm not more in favor of this. And this will be the third touch right here. Actually, this bullish momentum is for the preparation of a spike, okay? so that they can spike up and suddenly crash the market. This is what I think. Now I'm scalping, okay? No, not now. Wait. 4669.68, this level. This 162 pips is there. But market again slow down there. This pattern forms in this way as well, okay? Remember, most of you guys have seen the M patterns. Now see this pattern as well. Have you seen such pattern? 63 such patterns with 63 candlestick confirmation patterns I have collected. I was curious when I was finding these patterns. I was curious that how much can I find that can help me. See, this is a separate one. This is a separate one. Inside it is a separate one. Right here is another one. Back to the bullish side as well. Nice profitable market it was. If one didn't make profit, I'm not sure why it didn't make profit. With this much it is dropping, I might not be buying, but let's see. If I get a valid 1 minute slowdown, I will definitely try to take some risk near 4669.68. H4 can just crash down, okay? This is how it seems, or a breakout, and I will be taking a trade, okay? Let's see the reaction. It is very closer. Reaction has slightly started before it touched this level. 4669, let's see. Okay, wait, reaction appeared. $27 pips, no, is not enough. Yes, my friend, seems like it is doing this, okay? It is doing this, yes, great. Finally, this consolidation zone will be gone. still respecting. Let's see. Picked it. Okay. How many minutes I stay in the market? Wow, beautiful reaction. But I'm still not sure whether it will be surviving my SL or not. Otherwise, how much pips it's giving me? 41 pips it's giving me immediately. Did you guys get something or not? Please let me know. Move stop to break even, okay, and let it go. I booked this one. Let's see. Did you guys get 40 pips from it or not? Wow, this one also gives me 62 pips. Let's enjoy it a little bit. I want to enjoy it. Well, a sharp drop is expected, but let's see. If it come back down for a double bottom now, then I don't like this much. Okay. Okay, I booked 44 pips from it. Let it come back down, then I sell again. Buy again. Wow, nice rally. Nice one. Let it come back down a little bit, then I buy again. So this is how a triangle needs to be traded. I hope you today understand this concept clearly. Yes, returned up. Oh, it's going up. Same situation happening again. uh, 360 pips of a take profit, and pretty much nice stop loss as well. 193 pips of a stop loss. But potentially in such situations it can come back down, consolidated near this whole zone, make new stories, depends on the volume in the market. If the volume is too big, that's fine, otherwise okay everyone, my screen is on, okay, and I'm leaving. So see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye.